Okay, welcome back. We're doing a new type of problem. Today we are on problem 63 and we're looking at slopes. So for this we have to go back and remember this equation, y equals mx plus b. So for the slope, that's this number right here. The way I can tell what the slope is quickly, I know it's touching the x. So whatever that number is, that's your slope. So let's look at problem 63. What is the slope of the line whose equation is y equals 2x minus 10? The 2 is touching the x, so that's our slope. If you know what you're looking for, these problems go very quickly. Let's look down at problem 64. What is the slope of the line whose equation is y equals negative 3 times x plus 6? So you have these options, A, B, C, D. Please put into the Edpuzzle question what the slope is for this equation. Okay, so when we look, the negative 3 is touching the x, so negative 3 is the slope. These can get a little bit trickier. Question 65. It says, what is the slope of a line whose equation is 5 times y equals 2 times x plus 10? Here's the trick. The y isn't by itself here. We have to get y by itself, so we have to do some solving equations type work. So this is 5 times y. To get that y by itself, we have to do the opposite of 5 times y. So I'm going to divide everything by 5. And I end up with y equals 2 over 5x plus, you can leave that 10 over 5, or I know 10 divided by 5 is 2. So which one is the slope? Which one is the number in front of the x? 2/5. Let's do 2 more together, and then you're going to try the rest on your own. And maybe we'll do a little more than that. I just have to get there we go. So for 66, let's get out of the orange. They want to know the slope of the line. Here's the equal to bar. We have to move this minus 2x over. We're not splitting that up. We're just moving it over. So I'm going to do the opposite and add 2x. So I have y equals, that goes away, 4 plus 2x. Now, which number is in front of the x? 4 is all by itself. 2 is touching the x. So our answer is B. For question 67, what is the slope of the line whose equation is y equals negative 1x plus 2? So the equation is negative 1x plus 2. What number is in front of the x? That's your slope. And it's negative 1. Let's move over to, maybe it'll let me do this. Okay. Look at number 72 now. Which equation represents my dogs, there it is. Which equation represents the line with a slope of negative 2? That means our m is 2. So for our equation, y equals mx plus b, that negative 2 needs to be here. So you're looking for something like this, negative 2x plus something. So look at your options, and over on the side, type in what you think your answer is. Which equation has a slope of -2? Well, here we go. It's a -2x. In this problem, it's a positive. This equation has a slope of 1. And then this equation has a slope of -1. FYI, we are going to skip 74. And let's do 75, and then you guys are going to finish the rest on your own. So 75 says the slope of the graph of the equation x equals 3 is, so if you graphed this, oops, it's a really bad graph. X equals 3 is a vertical line. So it looks like that. And if you try to find the slope of that, there is no way you can graph that on your calculator. It is undefined. If you have a slope of 0, that's a horizontal line. It's a flat line. Okay. If it's a vertical, it is undefined. There is no slope. So what you guys are going to do to finish this assignment in your packet, page 10, and some of these we've already done. Numbers 63 through, oh boy, lots of them. 63 through 80. Take your time. And you are going to skip number 74. If you have trouble, you do your best. You ask questions, and I will talk to you soon. Take care.